Presenting the 2016 Buick Cascada Premium. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, driver confidence package, 7 speakers, 7-speaker premium audio system feature, DVD audio, MP3 decoder, premium audio system, IntelliLink, radio data system, Sirius XM satellite radio and air conditioning. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.